Sir, going back dun sa recently na kinascade nyo na uh, recalibrated anti-illegal drug strategy, kumusta na ngayon? How is it being receptive by yung PNP natin?
Wala. Marami kami nanghuli. In fact, yung last time nga, we have so many billions of pesos eh. Pero hindi yung measurement ko eh. Yung measurement ko, is it dito, ang drugs dito, no? Hindi kasi sa huli. Kahit na gano'ng ka-volume ng dinadalo mo dito, paulit-ulit naman dumadating yung drugs eh. Hindi ko alam, kagaya yung last time na nahuli namin dun dito sa Batangas. It's about 1.5 tons. Does it make a difference? Bumababa yung drugs? Hindi doon mababa eh. So maraming sources. Maraming players right now coming from Sinaloa, coming from the Chinese, from the Taiwan, ibang countries natin. May problema kasi tayo sa shoreline natin. Ang laki kasi ng puro shoreline. So we have to really help they need the help ng PCG, ng ibang government. Of course, ang sabi nila, sir, binabaksak lang po dun sa tubig. In fact, kung nasa Ilocos, marami binabaksak lang. Then, sir, ginagamit yung Bureau of Customs sa atin. Yung you remember yung magnetic lifter. So, maraming ways. So, kaya nga yung ginawa namin, yung Philippine Drug Enforcement Group namin, na dating nasa operations, nilagay namin sa investigation, really to solve kung ano talagang sources niyan. Kasi kahit anong gawin natin, kahit ang raming volumes na nahuli natin, in fact, rami natin, but malaki ba yung effect dun sa ground? Napupunta kasi yung trouble sa PNP eh. When in fact, nangyari kasi, ang may hawak talaga ng drugs dito, it's not the PNP, it's the PDEA. The PDEA should be the one na talagang mula. Ang level kasi ng PNP, hanggang dito lang sa mid. We cannot go up and deal with other countries kasi it's not our dapat ang PDEA will come up with a better strategy for us to make yung talagang overall na pabawasan yung drugs. Yun na dito kami hanggang street level eh. Napagod na nga yung police namin. And one thing rin, bakit hindi dapat makipag-cooperate talaga yung judges natin. We need a special court, really special court for drugs para mabilis yung prosecution, yung nagiging natin. O wala pa rin hanggang ngayon. I think wala pa rin talagang special court for drugs. Kaya mabagal pa rin yung natin.